Is the mic on? Okay, this is a classic example of a bad flame sensor. Flames come on, a second or two later, they go right off. I took the panels off. Now we're going to see what that control board has to say. What's it going to tell us? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. So next we're going to go to our chart on the back of the panel. A 7 is low flame signal. So the control board is telling us there's a low flame signal. So we're going to go ahead and give it a cleaning. Now I have a bunch of fancy little wrenches I use to get these out. But since my tool bag is a mess, it's the first thing I found. And it seems like every Craftsman screwdriver set had one of these. Okay, that's real dirty. So we're going to give it a cleaning. We're going to use some steel wool. Clean it real good with the steel wool, so it's shiny again. And then we're going to reinstall it and see what happens. Most of the time, it is a dirty flame sensor. I've had pressure switches look like flame sensors. One time I had a bad control board that wasn't sensing the flame sensor. Most of the times, it's a dirty flame sensor. Alright, we're going to go ahead and reinstall that. You know, on these 80% Goodman furnitures, they give you a pretty decent amount of room to work to get them in and out. Okay, we're installed. Next thing we're going to do is fire up the furnace and see how we do. And the flame sensor is a very common item. They get dirty, so the current doesn't flow through them, through the flame, and go to ground. And that's what the control board wants to see. That proves the flame. That flow of electricity from the control board to ground. So everything at this point looks pretty good. If they stay on more than a couple seconds, you probably found the problem. Yeah, so at that point, I'm pretty positive we found the problem. And I can see why I couldn't see the light. There's wires in the way. So we'll get those out of the way. Next time, we'll be able to look in there and see the light. We would have to pull the panels up to get that first light. Another thing I want to point out to you, if your furnace fails 3 times, you might get a number 1. So if you get a number 1, that doesn't mean the flame sensor isn't bad. That just means your furnace failed off after 3 tries. So with the bottom panel put back on, we'll give it another try and make sure it's going to run good. Then we'll check to see if we can see that little light through the door. So before you even start to make a repair or try to figure out what's wrong, it's good to see what that light's doing in there. It'll point you in the right direction. Not necessarily does it tell you exactly what's wrong, but it'll point you in the right direction to find out what's wrong, usually. Okay, I can see the light now, so we're good on that aspect. Our furnace is running. Looks like we're in good shape. Good flames.